high rate of systematic recalcitrancy, insubordination, truancy, and adamancy. If I fail to recognize and extend my felicitation and heartwarming message to Mrs. Faith Chukwudi, the wife of my boss, Spaceman in Italian, as you are celebrating your escape from Utrus Operibus, which is your birthday. I wish you long life and prosperity. You shall explore, you shall dominate, you shall conquer, and above all, I wish you heaven at last. Yes, before then, I don't want to dance in a tone of acrobatic jingoism. In other words, happy birthday to you.
Memoto.
Jesus. Man, that's more Igbo. That's more Igbo, Nanglo. Hey! As if I'm not Igbo. That's more Igbo.
You mean here?
That's more Igbo.